Welcome back guys, welcome to my channel. And so in today's video I'm going to show you and teach you how to play Kannazhaga song interlude music part on our flute. Okay, so I had done a video about how to play Kannazhaga song on our flute, so if you haven't watched it yet, please watch it. And so Kannazhaga song has a beautiful interlude music part, so I'm going to teach you how to play that part as I showed you before. Let's learn how to play that music part step by step. Okay, I'm using my double G flute today. Notation you can get it from my blog, link in the description. If you need notation you can check it. So first line goes like this. Okay, sa dha sa ni re ga ma ga, sa dha sa ni. Again, okay, it's easy. Okay, and then sa dha sa ni re ga ma ga, ga pa ma ga. Simple, it's so simple. Okay, sa dha sa ni re ga ma ga, sa dha sa ni, and then sa dha sa ni re ga ma ga, ga pa ma ga. Okay, I have taught you about this part, how to play this part on my previous video, so if you need more time to learn this part, please watch it. Okay, so let's continue with next part. It goes like okay, ga ma ga ga. Okay, Shuddha ga and Komal ga, we are using Komal ga and Shuddha ga both. Okay, so starting with Shuddha ga, ga ma ga ga. Okay, ga ma ga, then Komal ga, ga ma ga 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 da. Okay, ga ma ga 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 da. Again. Okay, and then same notes, ga ma ga 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 da. The first time we stay on dha in middle range, and then we stayed on lower range. Okay, ga ma ga 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 da, ga ma ga 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 da. Okay, like this. Same notes, different scale. Okay, first time middle scale and then lower scale, like this. Like that. Okay, and then ni sa ni da ni re sa, ni sa ni da ni re sa, and then ni sa ni da ni pa. Again, both line. Sorry. Once again. It's so easy. You need to repeat that four lines. Repeat. Okay, like this. And then again. Like that. Okay, and then next part. Pada da pada 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 pa. It's a little bit tricky because same notes going same time. Okay, pada da pada 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 pa. Once again, pada dha pada 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 pa, like this. Okay, and then dha sa ni da pa ma ga. Okay. Okay, and then again same line. That's it. So I hope you guys learn to play that music part on a flute through this video. So if you have any problem with this one, you can ask, so I will explain it to you. And if you have any other needs, like tutorials, if you want any other tutorials, you can ask me, so I can make it for you. So don't forget to like and subscribe my channel to get more videos like this. So next time, let's see in another tutorial video. Until that, keep playing, keep practicing. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.